Welcome to a video by Abron. This is the digital thermometer which is having a one cell on the back side. You can open it and one cell is triple cell is there. This one is a probe is there with the wire. This is a 1 meter wire, and then you can put it here on the back side and close it. You can put it in this one. This is a probe here. The stainless steel probe is there. You can take out this. You put it, insert in any chemical or water. I can just show you. This is how it is done. Let me tell you the parts. This has a capacity. Buyer is asking for 150 degree into 1 degree, but we are giving it 150 into 0.5 degree. You press it, it tells you the temperature in centigrade. It can be converted to Fahrenheit. The range is -58 F to 572 F, and you can again change it to convert. This is a high alarm and this is a low alarm. You can put it alarm, and when you push it, it tells you the alarm, and you can change the low alarm. Push it again, you can start the alarms by here and on off and temperature. I can just show you. Just start it. You just see the temperature. It will show you temperature is 30 degree. Now see, it is sensitive. It's giving 31 degree. 31.123 is coming. You can switch off the alarm and then temperature goes. You can put it on water also. It tells you the temperature of water. Keep it in hand. We have got another thermometer which is having temperature similar is there. Range is also similar up to 50 degree, 0.1 degree. Here you can again change the centigrade and Fahrenheit, and then alarm hold facility is also there. You can put it, but the difference is it has a wire, so it's very easy to use in the lab, and the manual is showing the features. It tells you the features of 50 degree. What is the temperature is this -52 300 degree and -58 to 470. Accuracies, resolution is 0.1 degree, measuring 1 second. Temperature, it tells you up and low. Alarm also limit. Low battery indication 1.5 volt AAA battery. How it is working, setting, all these things are operations are done. Alarm setting is there. All these types of all precautions, everything is told here. All these features are there. It comes in a nice packing. Please visit the website, share the videos, and subscribe to the channel. And our WhatsApp website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 94160200018. Please visit the website, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.